Science Week is about communication, sharing information about the work happening within Tsay Keh Dene territory, identifying who is doing the work, why these projects are vital to Tsay Keh Dene Nation, and how Nation members can be more involved in projects that interest them. This year, Science Week focused on engaging students at the Tsay Keh Dene School and encouraging outdoor learning. Each day began with classroom presentations from scientists conducting research within the territory. Following the classroom presentations, students transitioned to a science fair in the school gymnasium. Guests set up booths where students learned about wildlife, fisheries, and restoration initiatives led by Tsay Keh Dene Nation and Chu Cho Environmental. Featured projects included stone sheep, bats, grizzly bears, and caribou. Students also explored bird tracking with MODIS, bat telemetry, and fisheries projects involving bull trout and Arctic grayling. The science fair also highlighted wetland enhancement and road restoration projects currently underway. The sheer number of land stewardship projects led by the nation is incredible, and it is essential to share the results of this work with the community and the next generation. After lunch, students participated in field trips, embracing the philosophy that there is no better way to learn than by doing. There were field trips planned each afternoon. One of those field trips was led by Mark Pride and Ross Hobbs of Chu Cho Forestry and Finley Forest Management, two of the nation's businesses, where students learned the skills of a forester. This included hands-on instruction on using an increment bore and measuring tree stem density and diameter. Gaining a first-hand look at the professional skills needed to work in that industry and what a career as a forester might look like. Scientific data is powerful, but it's not complete without the observations and knowledge from the community and its members. There is no substitute to spending time in the community and with the people who make all of this work possible. It was a fantastic 3 days of learning, and we couldn't be happier with how the week went. We're ready to start planning for next year.